It all started with a birthday present. Here we are putting it together. I decided to make a contest out of this to see if she could beat the pump on the paddleboard. So she's going along. Oh, now what? Gotta stop here in a second. Oh, there we go. Oh, gotta look and see how to do this. Alright, it looks like she's got one end. Meantime, the pump's still working. I'm working up a sweat. And I'm starting to feel pretty confident that I might beat her with the... it fell apart, and I really was feeling confident. Little I know the pump was messing up. She's coming along. It's working out pretty nice. These Tucktec's are really nice kayaks for what they are. You can't go white rapids with them or through the rocks, but on the calm lake they're really nice. Okay. Meantime, I think I'm going to win, but I'm not. It's not going to happen. The high pressure on the air pump decided to give out and it wasn't going anymore. I couldn't get it up to full pressure. But she's getting everything in, getting the seat in. Victory is hers. Please subscribe if you like what you've seen. Bye.